Hey guys, here's a new Unreal Engine 4 tutorial in which I show you how to add a floating health bar UI to the enemy character to the NPC. In the previous part I added the AI components to let the enemy follow the player. Now we'll add a floating UI widget to the enemy to display his current health. So right click here in the UI folder and select User Interface, Widget Blueprint. And what I get is a UMG widget with a canvas panel. To that I add a progress bar. The size of this progress bar will be rather small. Then I resize the canvas, and I don't want it to fill the screen. I set it to custom. Then I resize it till it fits, and once I'm happy with the size I save and compile, and the next step is to add this to my enemy. Okay, so I open the enemy blueprint, select the viewport tab, and then I add a new component of type widget. And this will be a kind of holder for our health bar, and you can position it above the head, to the feet, as you like. But before I do this, I set the space to screen because I always wanted to face the camera, and the widget class I set to our UI blueprint, the enemy health UI. Okay, the size I set to 50/20 and I move it a bit upwards so that it appears above the enemy's head. Alright, but before I start the game I set the progress bar to a fake value so that I can see how it will look like when we actually display the enemy's health. I set it to 0.6 for example, and then I start the game. And this looks quite nice. You can see it always faces the camera and it is attached to the enemy. Now let's see how it will look like when I move it to his feet. I just move the widget downwards, then I compile and start again. Okay, that's also pretty cool. But of course that's just the UI part. In the next one I will show you how to let the enemy take damage and how to bind this real data then to the progress bar. Okay guys, I hope you find this useful, and if you do then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And it would be great if you support me on my Patreon, because this helps me creating these free tutorials for you. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and I'll see you on JNM.